Looking for a fast-track career that's hands-on, high-tech, and always in demand? Welcome to the Electronics Technology program at NMSU. My name is Sam Gerber. I'm a professor here.
My name is Sherry Dubinsky, and I'm an adjunct electronics instructor at NMSU. In our program, students don't just learn about electronics, they build, test, and troubleshoot real-world circuits from day one.
Located near White Sands Missile Range and Holloman Air Force Base, the Tularosa Basin is home to multiple test and evaluation contracts, actively hiring skilled electronics technicians.
Our two-year associate's degree program prepares you for the high-paying jobs and growing industry, with opportunities in aerospace, defense, telecommunications, and much more.
Whether you're launching your first career or starting a new one, our small class sizes and experienced faculty ensure you get the support and the skills you need.
Hands-on, in demand, done in 2 years. Power up your future and with electronics technology degree from NMSU.